a popular test route for Tilbury Test Centre on Russell Road, ALFIE'S Driving School offers driving lessons in Tilbury with manual and automatic driving instructors for anyone wanting to learn to drive in Tilbury. On this particular road, they can get you to pull up on the right. I have an oncoming car, so we want to just wait for them to turn in first. And we have another oncoming car, so we just want to hold back. They want to turn into this junction as well, so we just want to slow it down a little bit more, and then we can pull over in good time. Once you pull up on the right, they want you to reverse back 2 car lengths, so making sure we check our blind spots, looking through the back window and reversing when it's safe to do so. Making sure we park reasonably close to the curb. Making sure if there's any pedestrians walking beside the pavement, we must give way to them as well. Making sure we secure the car, and then once we move off, we just want to check our right shoulder, our left shoulder, and then indicate left and move off when it's safe to do so. At the roundabout, we're going to take a left turn. Approaching nice and slow, looking right in good time, making sure it's safe. As we enter this road, on the left hand side you can see it's the Tilbury Test Centre. So when entering or emerging from that car park, making sure we do it at a very slow speed. Thanks for watching. Book your driving lessons in Tilbury with ALFIE'S Driving School today. Get in touch to secure your slots.